Hey guys, welcome back to another web dev tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be talking about Angular, what it is and how to get started with it. So Angular is basically just a front-end framework, and if you don't know what a framework is, throughout basically this whole channel web dev, I'm just been making things in vanilla JS, and that's fine if you want to make small applications. But as you get to huge enterprise level applications, things like that, you usually want to create something which is you usually want to use something which is going to make your life a bit easier, since if you just make everything in vanilla JavaScript, it's going to be a bit tricky to manage. Of course, it's still possible to make things in vanilla JavaScript, like for example VS Code is all made in vanilla JavaScript to increase speed, but most things you'll find will be made with some kind of framework such as Angular or React. So I'm going to be starting a new series called just getting started with Angular or something, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Angular. Now the first step is to download Node.js. Basically this is just allows you to run JavaScript locally. I've already talked about this, but it's important you have this downloaded because the entire Angular CLI, which is the Angular command line interface, runs on Node.js, so you have to make sure you have this installed. So just go to nodejs.org and download this. Next thing you want to do is you don't actually need to do anything from here, but what you can do is you want to go to your terminal and just create a new one, and you just want to type in npm install Angular, and if you add the /g, what that does is it actually installs it globally. So I don't really need to do this because I think I already have it installed, but if you don't, then make sure you do this. So yeah, once you've done that, what you can do is to create a new Angular application, we're going to just type in ng new, and let's just call this Angular app. So I'll just show you guys how to create an app and how to get it running, and you just want to add these things. So usually I just click yes to all of these questions because Angular routing basically allows you to have multiple pages. If you don't, then it's going to be a bit tricky to do anything, and I'm just going to use regular CSS for now. So yeah, just do that, wait for all of this to load, and once you've done that, you should have a Angular app ready to start. So let's just wait for this to load in, and yeah, this bit can take a bit of time, maybe about probably say 1 minute at max. Usually doesn't take longer than that. And yeah, this is the Angular website. Don't really need to use this for anything. This is mainly just to tell you how it works, but there's also a lot of documentation. I believe it's on the materials page though, so if you go to developer guides and go to overview, it basically shows you guys how to do this. And if we go to getting started, I think we have to go to try it, getting started, and yeah, this will also tell you exactly how to get started. So yeah, let's just see. This seems to have been done, so if I just expand this, package is installed successfully, and it's also set up a Git. So that's all good. Now you can go over to here, and I know it's a bit tricky to see, so I'm wondering if I should open this in a new thing. So let's just open this in a new folder, and I'll just open this like so. Let's just go to documents. I believe this is YouTube. Oh, not in there. What is this? VS Code, YouTube, and yeah, I'll just open this. So I'll just open this in a new window so it's easier to see. Let's just leave this here. Okay, so now what we can do to actually run this is we can go to here, and what you can actually notice is the folder structure is quite interesting. So we have a lot of folders, which can be a bit scary if you're looking at this for the first time, but mainly all that happens is in the source and app directory. So this is the boilerplate HTML. I'm just going to run this now, and we will go here to run your app. All you do is type the command ng serve, and that should serve it. So we'll just wait for this. So yeah, just wait for this to load, and once you've done that, you should have a And yeah, basically what's happening behind the scenes is using Node.js to basically compile all these files into a single package, and then it's running that package locally. So all of this is getting compiled into vanilla JavaScript underneath, and it's just going compiled. So if we go to here and then we go to localhost 4200, it should actually bring us to this page. Basically this HTML is just this page. We can actually prove that by going to something like this, and I don't know, let's just say we want something like body. We can set the color to let's set it to a cool color like purple. I'm just going to do important, and we should see, oh, I guess not. Let's try something like h1. Maybe this will change something. Okay, well, I guess they're not using this, but yeah, this is actually the file. Oh, maybe it's because this is overriding it. That's definitely an option. But yeah, what we can do is we can actually just get rid of everything. So I'll just get rid of this, get rid of all of this, and yeah, you can see this is all gone. So let's just type, this is an Angular component, and you'll notice that a lot of things nowadays, all frameworks are basically component driven. So I'll explain what that means in a future tutorial, but for now it's just important that you know that, and it makes life a lot simpler since you can encapsulate data and processes into individual components. So that was how you create a basic Angular application, how you run it locally, and yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.